you feel about tractor racing, dude?
I feel great.
Yeah. What's the most challenging part of it?
Probably the turns.
Yeah.
Definitely the turns. Yeah.
How long have you been a tractor racer?
Just today. Just today.
Think you can pursue it?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Depends on how good I am.
For a young kid, he's got some talent. He really needs he needs some years of.
I think he lacks discipline. I mean, he took that corner too wide.
There's no doubt.
I mean,
he already touched one cone. I mean, he's struggling a little bit to control it.
How do you feel about racing in a male-dominated sport?
Yeah.
We're sexist, by the way. We're really sexist.
She'll kick their ass.
Kick your ass.
Not a race unless you got a woman here.
Oh, I'm gonna edit that out.
That's my next time.
Yeah.
Your throttle, and we'll turn your throttle all the way up.
Somebody give her a penis, because I think she has a weight advantage.
Hey, I got one of those turkey necks that I was looking at it last night, and it's close.
Okay. Yeah, strap it on her leg right here.
Kind of like,
That's strap it on her. That's about your wife being out there in a male-dominated sport.
She's always been like that ever since she was young. She's always had a tremendous spirit of adventure.
Yeah. You're proud of her? I mean, you're proud of her accomplishments?
I'm so proud of her.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. I just hope she doesn't go into that pit.
Do you ever feel like she wears the pants in the family? I mean, like, do you ever feel like insecurity thing?
I can do better.
Oh, of course you can. Next time.
I get another chance.
Come back next year.
I get another chance down the track.
All right. Go ahead. You gotta beat 57 seconds.
I can beat that.
So there's no gears, Grandpa. You want the gloves?
Where's the clutch?
Okay, right there. It's that right there. That's brake and clutch. It's in gear right now. Throttle, full throttle. You don't take out the throttle.
make sure you don't show them the brakes, just like you keep telling me how to
That's basically it. Turn it on and go. Let go of the clutch. That's the clutch and brake. So just let that go.
I've been doing it a long time.
Yeah.
Last 15 seconds.
Anything you change? Anything you do different?
I wouldn't do anything different.
True champion. Something like a true champion. I went way too wide.
Yeah, you slid around those corners and stuff.
How much do you weigh, man?
What are you talking about? Am I? See that wheelie though?
That wheelie was awesome.
Yeah, lean back. Yeah, pop it back.
Yeah.
Dude, that wheelie was